desk. Now, I haven't done one of these before, but how hard can it be? Now, it's kind of special occasion it calls for it, really, doesn't it? You buy a phone, you buy a case. When you buy a Psion, well, you have a case, don't you? Which is where this comes in. Now, I do have a Series 3 case, Series 3 MX, I think, and some Psion 5 cases, which, yeah, they kind of do help, really, having a case. But this, I don't have anything like this. Well, I do now, obviously. Yeah, stylish design. What do you expect from a Revo? Well, what do you expect from Psion, really? So, let's start unboxing this. Or unpacking, I suppose. Not a scrap of dust on it. Smells like it's just come out of a factory. How sweet is that? Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of been in there quite a while. I love the colour. I love how they've, I don't know if you can see that. See that? There we go. You see that? That's really nice. That's, let's see. Yeah. Let's put this in here. Oh, that's the wrong way around. That's, so... There we go. Isn't that beautiful? I think that concludes the unpackaging, really. How does James May do it? Like, comment, subscribe.